Today we are going to make fresh guacamole. All we need is fresh avocados. You need to wash them. Make sure that they are ripe. You can check that by pressing the avocado slightly. If you can feel it's soft from inside, that means it is ripe and ready to make your guacamole. Then you need to cut them into half like this, and you have to take the seed out. You need cilantro, onions, tomatoes, green chili, finely chopped. Now you need some red chili pepper and some salt, lime, and all set. And of course, fresh avocados. You need to scoop out the avocado with the help of spoon. Make sure you mash it properly with the help of fork by pressing it gently. You see it's all finely mashed. There are no big chunks. Then you can add your chopped onions, green chili, chopped tomatoes, some salt, a pinch of salt, red chili powder to it. You need to add some finely chopped cilantro on top of it. And then finally, you need to add a lime juice. Mix it properly. And you see everything is evenly mixed and our fresh guacamole is ready to eat with chips. Yes.